1. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. 2. I am the greatest. I said that even before I knew I was. 3. Don't count the days, make the days count. 4. Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth. 5. It isn't the mountains ahead to climb that wear you out, it's the pebble in your shoe. 6. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. Impossible is not a fact. It's an opinion. Impossible is not a declaration. It's a dare. Impossible is potential. Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. 7. The man who views the world at 50 the same as he did at 20 has wasted 30 years of his life. 8. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. 9. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have the skill and the will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. 10. If my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it.